Good morning, dear students. Unit 13 Structural Organization of Animals, Part 2. Take your science to book. Page number 189. Today's topic is division of the body. The body of leech is divided into 6 regions. Cephalic region segments 1 to 5th. Preclitellar region 6, 7 and 8. Clitellar region 9, 10 and 11. Middle region 12 to 22. Caudal region 23 to 26. Posterior sucker 27 to 33. There are 6 regions in the body of leech. The first one, cephalic region. Cephalic which means head region. Preclitellar region which means front clitellar. Clitellar already given. Middle region as usual middle. Caudal region, tail region. Posterior sucker, already I said to you, sucker which means blood sucking, sanguivorous region. Sanguivorous region. Body wall. Body wall of leech includes 5 layers. Cuticle, outermost layer. Epidermis which lies below the cuticle. Dermis which lies below the epidermis formed of connective tissue. Muscular layer formed of cuticular, circular and longitudinal muscles. Botryoidal tissue lies beneath longitudinal muscles and fills the entire coelom around the gut. Yes. Listen my dear. Body wall or layers. Okay. The leech, it has 5 layers. Okay. Leech has 5 layers. The first one is cuticle. Cuticle is the outermost layer. Like plants, already I said to you, cuticle is the outermost layer like plants. Second one is epidermis. Epidermis lies below the cuticle. Dermis lies below the epidermis formed of connective tissue. Muscular layer. Muscular layer formed of circular and longitudinal muscles. This is cuticle. Okay. This is epidermis. This is dermis. Muscular layer formed of circular or longitudinal muscles. Circular or longitudinal muscles. Botryoidal tissue which means grapes-like tissue that present below the longitudinal muscles are lengthened, elongated muscles. Dear children, botryoidal tissues which means grapes-like tissue. Okay, grapes already you know very well. That present below the longitudinal muscle or lengthened, elongated muscles. This tissue fills the entire coelom around the gut. Coelom which means fluid-filled cavity. Coelom which means fluid-filled cavity between the body wall and gut wall. Okay. So, grapes ஃபுல்லாக என்ன இருக்குது, ஜெல்லி மாதிரி ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அதுதான் டிஷ்யூ. ஓகேவா? ஸோ இது எங்கே இருக்குன்னா லென்த்தான மசில்ஸில், அதாவது மசில்ஸ்னாவே சதை நம்ம சொல்லுவோம், அந்த மசில்ஸ்குள்ளே இருக்கும். சீலம்னா ஒரு லிக்விட் மாதிரியான ஃப்ளூயிடு ஃபில் பண்ணி அந்த கேவிட்டி எப்படி இருக்குன்னா ரவுண்டாக இருக்கும். அதுக்குள்ளே அந்த டிஷ்யூஸ் வந்து ப்ரெசண்ட் ஆகிருக்கும். ஓகேவா? ஸோ பாடி வால் நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ஃபில்டு ஃப்ளூயிடு ஃபில் ஆகுது பார்த்தீங்களா, அது வந்து என்னது சீலோம். ஃப்ளூயிடு ஃபில்ட் ஆகுது கேவிட்டி வந்து என்னென்னு சொல்கிறோம், சீலோம். எல்லாமே சீலம். க்ரீன் கலர் வந்து சீலம். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு இந்த அவுட்டர் வால் கட் வால். இந்த அவுட்டர் வால் கட், GUT, கட் வால். Okay my dears, so this is the body wall. Fluid filled cavity coelom, the outer layer gut wall. Okay. Locomotion in leech takes place by looping or crawling movement, swimming movement. Very important book pack and public question. Okay, locomotion movement. Okay, locomotion in leech takes place by two ways. Locomotion, which means movement. So the locomotion in leech takes place by two ways. What are they? Looping or crawling movement. Second one is swimming movement. Looping which means வளைஞ்சு போகக்கூடியது. கிராவலிங் which means ஊர்ந்து போகக்கூடியது. ஓகே, looping or crawling movement. This type of movement is brought about by the contraction and relaxation of muscles. The two suckers serve for attachment during movement on a substratum. Second one is swimming movement. Leeches swim very actively and perform undulating movements in water. This movement occurs by contraction and relaxation of muscles. Already we learnt both suckers helps in attachment and locomotion, isn't it? Attachment and locomotion. There are two suckers gives attachment during movement in substratum. What is substratum? Dear students, what is substratum? Yes, a layer of soil and rock below the surface of ground. A layer of soil and rock below the surface of ground. நிலத்திற்கு அடியில் உள்ள மண், பாறை, துகள், கற்கள். ஓகேவா? ஸோ கிரவுண்டு, ராக்னா பாறை, சாயில். ஸோ இந்த லீச் ஆனது ஸோ டியர் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், லீச் ஆனது அந்த மண் இருக்க சாயில் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அந்த சாயிலுக்குள்ளேயும் ராக்கோட துகள் கற்களுக்குள்ளேயும் தான் அது மூமெண்ட்டாக இருக்கும். ஸோ அதுக்கு பேர் தான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்கிறோம், சப்ஸ்ட்ரேட்டம். ஓகே, லூப்பிங் ஆர் கிராவலிங் மூமெண்ட் ஓவர். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு ஸ்விம்மிங் மூமெண்ட்டு. Swimming movement. Leech swim very actively. Leech swim very actively in water. Okay, so it performs undulating or smooth the movement in water. Okay, undulating or smooth. Digestive system. The digestive system includes the long alimentary canal and the digestive gland. Next, digestive system of leech has long alimentary canal and digestive gland. Okay, alimentary canal. The alimentary canal of leech is a straight tube running from the mouth of the anus. Dear children, digestive system includes the long alimentary canal and the digestive gland. Okay, so what is mean by alimentary canal? Alimentary canal is the whole passage through which food passes from mouth to anus during digestion. Alimentary canal is the whole passage through which food passes from mouth to anus during respiration. Okay, so the first one is alimentary canal. Alimentary canal, let us set the meaning. Whole passage of through which food passes from mouth to anus during digestion. Second one is digestive glands. Digestive gland செரிமான சுரப்பிகள். ஸோ இதை ஃபுட் டைஜஸ்ட் பண்ண வைக்கிது. ஓகேவா? So first one is alimentary canal. The alimentary canal of leech is straight tube running from mouth to the anus. Mouth is the triradiate aperture situated in the middle of the anterior sucker that leads into small buccal cavity. The wall of the buccal cavity bears 3 jaws with single row of minute teeth. The jaws are provided with papillae which bear the opening of salivary glands. Mouth and buccal cavity occupy the first 5 segments. Okay, listen my dears. The alimentary canal of leech is straight tube. Okay, straight tube running from mouth to the anus. Mouth is the triradiate aperture or Y-shaped. Okay, triradiate. Okay, va? 3. Triradiate which means 3. Triradiate aperture or Y-shaped aperture present in middle of anterior or front sucker that sends to the buccal cavity. Dear children, mouth is a triradiate aperture or Y-shaped aperture. Okay, appearance, Y-shaped appearance. Okay, so where it present in the middle of anterior, middle of the anterior or front sucker. Okay, front sucker already said to you for feed. And the pink color 2 suckers already last class I taught you. The first, the front side aperture like a front sucker that sends to the buccal cavity. Buccal cavity is in between the mouth and throat. Where that present buccal cavity? Mouth and throat. Mouth and throat already we learnt, isn't it? Yes. The wall of buccal cavity has 3 jaws. How many jaws of the buccal cavity? 3 jaws with a single row of minute or small teeth. Okay, single row or minute or small. See this diagram. Buccal cavity, teeth between. Okay, minute teeth. Okay, the jaws provide papillae. The jaws provide papillae. Papillae is the opening of salivary glands. Salivary glands which mean umilneer surapigal. The jaws provides papillae. Papillae is the openings of salivary glands. So first 5 segments are occupied by mouth and buccal cavity in leech. Okay, first 5 segments are occupied by mouth and buccal cavity in leech. The buccal cavity leads into muscular pharynx. It is surrounded by salivary glands. The secretion of salivary contains hirudin, which prevents the coagulation of blood, Pharynx leads into crop through a short and a narrow esophagus. Yes. Next to buccal cavity, there is a pharynx. The buccal cavity, there is a pharynx. In each muscular pharynx. Pharynx, which means thondaikuli. It is surrounded by salivary gland. It is surrounded by salivary gland. So, in that saliva, there is a hirudine. The saliva, there is a hirudine, a fluid, okay, fluid that helps the blood to not coagulate, or mixing of blood with saliva is called coagulation. Okay. Dear children, coagulation, which means mixing of blood with saliva, is called coagulation. Okay. So pharynx, next topic is pharynx. Pharynx passes to crop through a narrow which means kurugalana, okay, narrow and small esophagus. Esophagus, which means canal, சிறிய குழாய் மாதிரி இருக்கும். Crop is the largest portion of the alimentary canal. It is divided into series of 10 chambers. The chambers communicate with one another through circular apertures surrounded by sphincters. A pair of lateral back valley directed CK arises as blind outgrowth from each chamber known as ceca or diverticula. Crop and its diverticula can store large amount of blood which can be slowly digested. Yes, my dear. Crop is the largest portion of the alimentary canal. Crop is the largest portion of the alimentary canal. It has series of 10 chambers. It has series of 10 chambers. Chambers, which mean already we learnt from the plant. Araya இருக்கும் room like. Okay. Okay. Circular aperture is surrounded. Circular aperture is surrounded by sphincter. The circular aperture is surrounded by sphincter. Through this sphincter only one chamber communicate with other chamber. Okay, only one chamber communicate with the other chamber. Dear children, circular aperture is surrounded by sphincter. Through the sphincter only one chamber communicate with other chamber. Okay. A pair of lateral means side by side as a pair. Lateral means side by side as a pair, backwardly directed or appears here CK. CK, which means sacs like living arises as a blind or important outgrowth from each and every chamber known as ceca or diverticula. Dear students, a pair of lateral means side by side as a pair, backwardly directed or appears a ceca. Ceca means sacs like lining arises as a blind or important outgrowth from each and every chamber known as ceca or diverticula. ஒவ்வொரு சாம்பரில் இருந்தும் பேராக பின்பக்கமாக சீக்கா ஃபார்ம் ஆகும். தட் இஸ் வாட் lining like outgrowth. Okay, that is called ceca or diverticula. Last chamber opens into the stomach. The last chamber opens into the stomach. Okay, stomach into intestine. For leech, there is single intestine tubuli that opens into rectum. The opens into anus, final region. For leech, there is single intestine, small kudal, sirugudal, tube-like structure. Okay, that opens into rectum. From where? Opens into anus. That is the final region. Can you understand, my dears? Yes. Dear children, see this diagram. The wall of buccal cavity has three jaws. Already I said to you, the wall of buccal cavity has three jaws. A single row of minute or small teeth. Okay. Pharynx. Pharynx passes through crop through a narrow and small esophagus. Pharynx passes to crop. Crop means food. Okay. Through a narrow and small esophagus. See here. Okay. Next. Diverticula. Just now we learned ஒவ்வொரு சாம்பரில் இருந்தும் see here ஒவ்வொரு சாம்பரில் இருந்தும் பேராக நமக்கு என்ன கிடைக்குது பின்பக்கமாக சீக்கே ஃபார்ம் ஆகும்னு சொல்லியிருந்தேன் இல்லையா that is what lining like okay outgrowth that is called cica or diverticula crop diverticula okay. So the last chamber opens into the stomach. See here, inge open agudhu in the last chamber stomach. Okay, the stomach sent to intestine. For leech there is single intestine tube-like that opens into rectum. Where it is open? Rectum. So the opens into anus, the final region. The final regions opens into anus. Can you understand, my dears? Very good. Segmentation of leech. Body segments 33. Anterior suckers, mouth and eyes. First to fifth segment. Posterior sucker 27 to 33. Pharynx 5th to 8th. Crop 9th to 18th. Stomach 19th. Intestine 10th to 22. Rectum 23rd to 26th. Anus 26th. Nephridia force 6th to 22. Male genital aperture 10th segment. Female genital aperture 11th segment. This is very very important. Okay. Next, food, feeding and digestion. The leech feeds by sucking the blood of cattle and the other domestic animals. During feeding, the leech attaches itself to its victim strongly by the posterior sucker. The leech makes a triradiate or Y-shaped incision in the skin of the host by jaws projected through the mouth. The blood is sucked by muscular pharynx and the salivary secretion is poured. Listen, my dears. The leech feed the blood. The leech feed the blood which was sucked from cattle and other domestic animals. During feeding, the leech is attached firmly or strongly to its victim or sufferer by the posterior sucker. பிளட்டை உறிஞ்சும்போது தன்னோட பாடியை ஸ்ட்ராங்கானதை இன்னொரு கேட்டில் ஆர் அதர் டொமஸ்டிக் அனிமல் மேலே ஒட்டிக்கும். ஓகே, ஸோ இட் மேக்ஸ் ட்ரை ரேடியேட் ஆர் ஒய் ஷேப்டு இன்சிசன். ட்ரை ரேடியேட் already we learned that try radiate. Okay, try radiate or Y shaped incision or injury in skin of host or layer by the jaws, protrude or coast. Okay, protrude, coast or layer by the jaws, protrude or produced having through the mouth, protrude or produced having through the mouth. So salivary secretion is poured and blood is sucked by muscular pharynx. muscular தசைநார், pharynx குரல் வளை, தசைநார் குரல் வளை. So salivary secretion is poured and blood is sucked by muscular pharynx. The injected blood is stored in crop chambers and its diverticulum. The blood passes from the crop into the stomach. Digestion takes place in stomach by the action of proteolytic enzyme. The digested blood is then absorbed slowly by the intestine. Undigested food is stored in rectum and ejected through anus. The sucked blood is stored in crop chamber and it is diverticulum. The sucked blood is stored in crop chambers and its diverticulum. Always crop and diverticulum stores the sucked blood. Always crop and diverticulum stores the sucked blood. From crop the blood sent to stomach. From crop the blood sent to stomach. Digestion happens in stomach by action or involvement of proteolytic enzyme. Okay, this is very very important, one mark, proteolytic enzyme. Then the blood is absorbed by intestine. Undigested food or wasted blood is stored in the rectum, ejected through the anus. Undigested food or wasted blood is stored in the rectum, then ejected through the anus. Leeches prevent blood clotting by secreting a protein called hirudin. They also inject an anesthetic substance that prevents the host from feeling their bite. Leeches prevent blood clotting. Blood clotting, ரத்தம் உறையிறது, by secreting or producing, forming the protein called hirudin. This is very very important. Hirudin is a protein. Okay, so already we learned hirudin prevent coagulation of blood also. Don't forget, dears. So they inject or send a anesthetic substance into the host. For the host from not feeling leech bite. லீச் கடிச்சதுன்னா அது ஹோஸ்ட், அதாவது ரத்தத்தை உரிகிற அனிமலுக்கு தெரியக்கூடாதுன்னு லீச் வந்து என்ன பண்ணிக்கும், அனாஸ்தட்டிக் சப்ஸ்டன்ஸை இன்ஜெக்ட் பண்ணுது. ஓகேவா? ஸோ தே இன்ஜெக்ட் ஆர் லிசன் மை டியர், தே இன்ஜெக்ட் ஆர் சென்ட் எ அனாஸ்தட்டிக் சப்ஸ்டன்ஸ் இன்டு தி ஹோஸ்ட். ஸோ ஃபார் த ஹோஸ்ட் ஃப்ரம் நாட் ஃபீலிங் த லீச் பைட். Okay, the leech feed the blood which was sucked from the cattle and other domestic animals. So it makes triradiate or Y-shaped injection or injury in skin of host or layer by the jaws. See the jaw. Okay, so the salivary secretions poured and blood is sucked by muscular pharynx. So the sucked blood is stored in crop chamber. See here, where it is stored, crop chamber, and it is diverticulum. So always crop and diverticulum store the sucked blood. See here, sucked blood, these two. Okay, then the undigested blood. Okay, from crop the blood sent to stomach. From the crop blood sent to stomach, digestion happens in stomach by action or involvement of which enzyme I said to you? Proteolytic enzyme. Okay, so the blood is absorbed by intestine. The blood is absorbed by intestine. So the undigested food or water blood is stored in rectum, already said, no? Yes, the undigested food. See here, undigested food stored in the rectum. See here. Then ejected through this anus, the final region anus. Can you understand, my dears? Okay. See, my dear, more to know. Leeches do not have ear, hence can sense vibration through their skin. Leeches have 2 to 10 tiny eyes which helps them to locate their food. Leeches can suck blood 5 times more than their body weight. It may take more than a year for the complete digestion and absorption of full meal. Listen, my dear, leeches do not have ear. Leeches do not have ear, can sense vibration through skin. Okay, already we learnt in external morphology. What is that? Receptor. Receptors, reservoir of signal. Is sensation is sensed by leech through skin. Okay. Sensation is sensed by leech through skin. Okay. Second one, leech have 2 to 10 tiny or small eyes that helps to locate or search their food. Leech have 2 to 10 tiny or small eyes that helps to locate or search their food. The third one, leech suck blood 5 times more than their body weight. 5 மடங்கு தன்னுடைய உடல் எடையை விட அதிக ரத்தத்தை உறிஞ்சிரும். ஓகே, ஸோ லீச் சக் blood 5 times more than their body weight. Okay, then it takes last point, see, it takes per year for complete whole absorption and digestion of full meal or blood. Full meal. Already we learned full meal, no? Yes, it takes per year for complete whole absorption and digestion of full meal or blood. Yes, my dear. Hope you all watched the video fully. Thank you.